Hi, my name is Vanessa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use CeraVe's Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. Now at first I would like to go over the benefits and time of use, then I want to share with you a little example skincare routine and then the application on how you can use it on its own or in a double cleanse. And you will find the timestamps below. So first of all, the Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm can be used on all skin types, including sensitive skin, and it is fragrance free. It is very gentle and hydrating while effectively removes any excess oil, dirt and sweat from the skin, and any type of sunscreen, including mineral sunscreen as I'm wearing myself for the demonstration, and any type of makeup. And you can use it daily in the morning and or evening on its own, or primarily in the evening in a double cleanse. And this now leads me into my example skincare routines that I have prepared for you in a PowerPoint, keeping the main focus towards CeraVe products. So here you can see the morning skincare routine. On the top you can see a box which describes the benefits of the cleanser, the order of application which you can see below, that it is an anti-aging routine, but in general you always should pick the products that are suitable for your skin type and concerns. And don't forget to wear sunscreen during the day if you have sun exposure. So with my example routine, I want to demonstrate that it is fine to use the Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm on its own in the morning to properly wash your face before heading into the toner, like specific treatments, moisturizer if needed, and then your sunscreen. And below you can see the overall general guide of how you would use the products and how much you would need to use of them, which can be slightly adjusted if you should have a larger or smaller face, but overall it should be a great starting point. As for the evening skincare routine, I've adjusted it a bit. You can again use the Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm on its own to properly wash your face before continuing with the routine, or use it in a double cleanse. Then it's going to be the first cleanser in your double cleanse to effectively remove your sunscreen and or makeup before you're then moving into your regular cleanser that's suitable for your skin type as well as your concerns. And so there you have it. So if you want to go over the example routine in your own time, you may want to look into the products that I have picked. You will find this all in my PowerPoint below the example routines. There is a description, like product description part, where you can look up the cleansers that I've picked, then the toner, treatments, moisturizers, as well as sunscreens, including a general skincare tips guide, how you can properly wash your face and how to avoid pilling, and lastly a sunscreen guide. So it's all available in the PowerPoint, which you will find in the description box down below. Now I want to head into the entire application. So when using CeraVe's Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm, it is advised to apply to dry skin. This is quite common with any like oil or balm cleanser, as this is the best way on how they work. So you apply to dry skin either on bare skin or on top of your sunscreen and or makeup, and then gently massage it all over before rinsing it off. So they recommend using about a pearl size amount. My general guide says use about a coin size amount, because still you should make sure that you have enough product to evenly massage it all over your face and neck so that it can effectively break down your sunscreen and or makeup or any other impurities. So this cleansing balm is in the beginning a bit stiff. It also depends on how you store it. In cooler temperature it gets a bit stiffer. If you're in a warmer country it's a bit softer. Nonetheless, I recommend massage it between your hands so that the white turns into a transparent oil, so that it then spreads out evenly all over your face and neck. So I'm going to use about that much. Then I'm going to warm it up for about 30 seconds, more or less. And now you can massage it all over your face and neck, including around your eyes and your lips. Make sure to not get it into your eyes nor into your mouth when doing so. So you can massage it all over for about 30 seconds to a minute. However, for stubborn to remove sunscreen and or makeup, you can do this for about 2 minutes if needed. So once you have massaged it all over, now it's the time to rinse it off using lukewarm water to warm water. Now I prefer to do this in the shower, especially with sunscreen, to make sure that everything comes properly off the skin. However, you can also do this above the sink. Now when removing your sunscreen and or makeup above the sink using the balm cleanser, I highly recommend using a soft clean microfiber washcloth, or in other words a makeup washcloth in between. Wet it using lukewarm water to warm water and then squeeze it out. And this helps to remove any last traces of the balm cleanser, sunscreen and or makeup that you may have missed, especially along the hairline and around your eyes. So now go ahead and rinse again. And so once you're done with rinsing it off, and you want to use CeraVe's Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm on its own, now would be the time to take a clean towel and gently pat all over to remove the excess water drops from the skin surface, and then leave it as it is, or continue with your morning or evening skincare routine. However, I now want to take the time to lead into the double cleanse. And so while you're going to rinse off your balm cleanser, your skin should remain wet, and then you're going to move into the next cleanser, which is going to be your regular cleanser suitable for your skin type as well as concerns, and then you're going to apply that one to wet skin and gently massage it all over. Now since I currently just waited a bit in between, I'm going to wet my face again so that it's wet enough, including my hands, and then I'm going to use CeraVe's Foaming Cleanser, which is great for my skin type, and I'm going to massage it all over my face and neck for about 30 seconds to a minute. Now I'm going to rub my hands together, and the double cleansing method now should help to remove any last traces of your oil or balm cleanser if it leaves a residue, as well as maybe your sunscreen and or makeup that you may have missed. So, and now go ahead and rinse it off again using lukewarm water to warm water. Now remember, when doing this above the sink, now you can go ahead and use another clean, fresh microfiber washcloth or makeup cloth, wet it, squeeze it out, and then use it to remove your cleanser from the skin. And now rinse again using lukewarm water to warm water. And now grab your clean towel and gently pat all over to remove the excess water from the skin surface. And so that's it. Now you can leave it as it is, so continue with your usual morning or evening skincare routine, or you may want to recreate one of my example skincare routines, which again you can find in the description box down below. Now I do hope that you enjoyed this video, that you find it helpful. If you did so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'm going to leave some of the videos at the end of this video so that you can keep on watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skincaring. Bye.